back with the Volvo, guys. XC40. I'm noticing something about the car lately. Alright. In the Volvo. So lately I noticed something with the mirror. Start the car. Throw it into reverse. Alright, we're in reverse. See, this mirror is going down. Come over here. This mirror stays there. So, back in park. So push it down here to the left. And go here. We can move it. Let's see. To the right. Move it to the left. But go down with it, nothing. You go up with it, nothing. Just in and out, left and right. All right, so it looks like the motor for the mirror is not functioning properly. This is the piece right here, driver's side unit. This is the part number. Up quick, show you guys. Alright, this little piece is what's going to control your mirror. Got a plug right there. Looks like 3 screws. And then our mirror should be able to go up, down, left, right, function properly. Alright. So we have to take this mirror glass off, and right behind it should be this bad boy. It should be the same for 2019 and up. So if your mirror is not functioning properly, this should fix it. Let's take it apart and try to get it working again. All right, believe it or not, this glass comes out pretty easy. I want to move it to the side a little, reach behind it. It's just gonna pop right out. It's a little scary at first, but you can see here, just these guys pretty much hold it in. And you can see this is the guy we got to replace. All right, so checking the new one, and it's held in by the 3 screws in the back. 1, 2, 3. Apparently mine's, the side screw and the bottom screw is loose. The brackets must have broke off due to wear. So there's 1 screw holding it in. So that's probably why it wasn't going up and down. So let's take this guy out. Then we can put this one in and that's it, get it back working again. All right, for this little screw, we went down to a T10. That's what we're gonna use to take it out. Comes right out. These 3 screws holding it in. There's a little clip on top here when you take this out. Push down right there. It should pop right out. Alrighty, here's the new one. So just to install these is these three screws, T10s, and you plug it back into this guy. You can see one side's flat and one side has a little arch thing to it here. See this arch side will go on top. So when you plug it in the right way. It's in. Let's see, so we want like that. All right, get nice and close for you guys. It's gonna go like this. so since the last one, let's give it a little tight. Make sure it's on there snug. Right there's fine. Let's tighten the top toe before we put the mirror back on. That's it. Not too much torque on these guys. It's a little plastic housing, you don't want to break it. Good, perfect. So let's put this mirror on, and then we're gonna put the carbon fiber piece. So that's good. All right, looks like that carbon fiber mirror is not gonna need some modifications to work. This one, I guess when they wrapped the carbon fiber, it made this part thicker, so it's hitting the mirror now. So we won't worry about that now. But the new ones slide back in fairly easy. All right, guys, and that's how you change window motor on the Volvo XC40. This helped you guys in any way, drop a like, drop a follow, and stay tuned for some more videos. See you on the next one.